In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some Google search tricks and tips that you just need to know. Yeah, I'm going to show you some Google tricks and tips. For instance, let's say you want to search for make some basic queries on Google. So what you just need to do is to follow this routine and you'll be able to see how you can do that. So I'm going to show you a series of things you can just do on Google to see that you make some searches as well as get some queries faster and be good at searching on Google. So first of all, what you just need to do is, let's say you want to search for basic queries. Now let me say I want to search for time in USA. I'll just say time, then I'll input colon, then I say USA, then I'll search for that. Now automatically what it's going to do is to tell me the exact time. As you can see on my screen, this is the exact time that we have in US as of now. So if you just want to change the country, you can change the country and you'll be able to see the time frame of that particular country at the particular moment in time. So follow for more tips like this, and as I will be showing you more tricks and tips on how to use Google.